Will Malaika bear Arjun Kapoor's child? Arjun Kapoor and Malaika Arora are one of the most power couples in Bollywood currently. Arjun and Malaika are head over heels in love with each other. There are also reports that this couple will get married this year. Recently, in an interview, Malaika was asked about their marriage and about their future planning. The actress was asked if she is willing to be a mother again with Arjun's child. Let us find out in this video what was the answer of the actress. Well, as everybody knows, Malaika was already married to Salman Khan's brother Arbaz Khan. Malaika was having an extramarital affair with Arjun while she was married with Arbaz. Malaika already has a child with Arbaz named Arhan, who is currently 17 years. Malaika is a single mother of Arhan now and she is ready to start new family with Arjun. Arjun and Malaika are quite open about their relationship and they visit many places together. This couple goes to many vacations and they are a happy couple. They were spotted many times having dinner dates together. Though the couple had earlier denied the fact that they were dating, but later they decided to open up. The couple has a huge age gap and because of that they are often trolled badly. But Arjun and Malaika does not care about the trolls and recently Malaika gave an interview. In that interview, Malaika was asked when they are planning to get married. Malaika firstly tried to dodge the question, but later she said that they will get married this year. Later in that interview, Malaika was also asked if she is willing to be a mother again. Malaika is already a single mother of Arhan, son of Arbaz and her. Malaika gave birth to Arhan in 2002 when she was just 29 years old. Now Malaika is 46 years old and she is getting married with Arjun Kapoor, who is younger than her. In the interview, Malaika was asked if she would bear Arjun Kapoor's child. At first, Malaika looked a little hesitant, but later she replied that she doesn't want to be a mother again. Yes, that is right. Malaika has denied to be a mother of Arjun Kapoor's child. The actress said that she is already a mother and has a son and now she does not want another child in her life. And that is why she has decided not to bear Arjun's child. The gorgeous actress has also revealed that she is very much happy with Arjun and she feels Arjun is perfect for her. And that is why she does not want to divide their share of love, at least for now. Well, Malaika is quite loved by the Kapoor family members, but this decision of her may come as a shock to them. It is also revealed by a close source to the family that Malaika's made Boney Kapoor unhappy. Boney Kapoor never really welcomed Arjun and Malaika's relationship because of their huge age gap. Also, he did not approve their relationship because of Salman Khan. Boney Kapoor knows that if he approves their relation, then his relation with Salman Khan will get worse. Hope all the Kapoor family members are okay with the decision that Malaika and Arjun have taken. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.